Once again, it's a budget time. Time for market analysts and economists to give their review on proposals given by a finance minister for the next financial year. Budget 2019 is unique in some of the features. This time budget is not presented by a regular finance minister. This will be presented by temporarily appointed finance minister Mr. Piyush Goyal. He is a chartered accountant, and in that sense this is the first budget which is being presented by a chartered accountant. This being an election year, there were some concerns in the market circles whether this budget will be a reformist budget or a populist budget, whether there will be a just vote of account or a budget with detailed proposals. There was huge expectation from finance minister to raise income tax limit. Also, there were some concerns how this fiscal deficit limit will be set, and also whether the government will follow fiscal prudence map this year as well. On expected lines, it was the election year budget. Finance Minister used this opportunity to present the performance report card of the government in the last 5 years. While there are a number of social schemes announced like pension for unorganized sector, simultaneously Finance Minister has maintained fiscal prudence roadmap by keeping fiscal deficit target at 3.4% of GDP for the current year. Though it is marginally up by 0.1%, considering the various social reforms that was expected, 0.1% increase in target fiscal deficit should not have major impact considering the size of our economy and the inflation rate. As far as exemption limit is concerned, basically it is a rebate given to taxpayers whose income is up to rupees 5 lakh. It is not increase in the tax exemption limit. So the benefit of this change will be restricted to those whose taxable income is up to rupees 5 lakh. Another important point is for real estate sector. Finance Minister has proposed that notional rent which is charged on to builders for the inventory which remains unsold for the period of 1 year and above, that time period is now increased from 1 year to 2 years. That is some boost for real estate sector. In addition to that, Finance Minister has also proposed that under Section 54 of Income Tax Act, capital gain benefit will now be available for buying 2 houses instead of 1 previously. This will definitely add demand for housing sector. So a major push for real estate sector. Finance Minister used this platform to present Vision 2030. He has set the target of 5 trillion economy within 5 years, and thereafter within 8 years he has set the target of 10 trillion US dollars economy. Presently India is the 6th largest economy. On these lines, India should reach 3rd largest economy within 12-13 years. Net, Finance Minister was able to walk on the tightrope of fiscal prudence and populist budget in election year. Reacting to budget, Nifty closed 62 points higher and Sensex has given 200 points plus salute to this budget. It was a balanced budget and we give 8.5 out of 10 to this budget.